want to talk about inauthentic frameworks with authentic people. There are a number of options available in the market where essentially what you're being sold is agility in a box. I don't believe you can buy agility in a box. But a lot of Agilists are practicing these approaches, not because they want to, but because that's how they get work. Because some of these frameworks have become so dominant that unless they're certified in these approaches or demonstrating experience in these approaches, it's unlikely that they'll get work. And so there are a lot of really authentic practitioners. There are some actually who believe that these frameworks work, and some who actually deliver results despite the frameworks. So they start work with the framework and they help the customer with that framework. And even though the framework might be process-centric and lacking people orientation, or lacking cultural orientation, or system orientation, or complexity orientation, because the practitioners are so authentic and so good, they can achieve really good results. And this kind of muddies the water a little bit, because the people selling these frameworks that have so-called agility in a box are saying, look at these wonderful results. But I put it to you that these wonderful results are despite the framework. Mathematically, from a systems thinking point of view, from all sorts of points of view, agility is not a team sport. It's limited by bottlenecks, constraints in your organization, by dependencies between people, by the workflows, processes and systems that are in place that are slowing people down, by the way people get compensated, by the way people get promoted, by the way we fund our work. And executives really need to up their game to improve the agility of the organization to support agility at a team level. Agility at a team level on its own has a ceiling. And the people who are really good, who are really enthusiastic, who really want to help you to deliver the results, they will get frustrated if you don't help them to sort things out. So it might be very tempting to get a big consulting firm or to get a big framework firm in to just roll out agility in a box. We refer to that as the Agile industrial complex. That said, there are a lot of people doing this that are really good people, and I wouldn't want to be tarring everybody with the one brush. There are some fantastic practitioners out there who I really respect who are working in these frameworks, and they have their own reasons, I'm sure, and they don't need to justify to me why they're doing it. But I have a lot of respect for these people, and I just wanted to say that. So there are really authentic people. In consulting firms, there are authentic people. There are authentic people practicing SAFe, practicing Scrum at scale, and they are delivering results despite what their companies, what their frameworks are limited to. You cannot buy agility in a box, but you can get really good people to help you go beyond whatever it is that's been sold to you. I would prefer you didn't use these frameworks. I would prefer if you took the authentic organizational agility route, something that's sustainable, something that's not going to unravel within a couple of years. Thank you.